Hi guys, good evening. Weekend, it's coming to the end. The last 2 weeks of the December, I decided to go with another educational video. This time, I decided to go with most common traders mistake. So that's gonna be very, very interesting. So without the further delay, let's have a look what we have here. Alright, most common traders mistake. We are going to focus today on just few, right? Probably we would spend the whole day trying to talk all of them. The things we are going to talk about are the most important, of course, in my opinion. So, in case you have a little bit different view, if you would like to add something, don't hesitate, leave the comment below, contact Light Forex support at your comments below this video. That of course is gonna be very useful from my perspective and from all the viewers' perspective, right? Well, so let's start here. The number one, in my opinion, it's we are trading without any kind of the trading plan. Well, I know, I'm pretty sure that everyone heard about that, everyone read about that, right? And everyone is thinking about that. But anyway, still, most of us, we are trading without any kind of the plan. So we love to trade without any kind of the plan because we do think, right, that we are kings of the FX market, right? We just want to click either buy or sell button. We just want to click. That's unfortunately shame on us, but that's how it looks, and that's the truth. We do trades basically on what our heart is saying, not our head. So yes, we are using our heart to make trading decision, not our brain after some kind of the research, stuff like this, right? So if we don't have a trading plan, the most common mistake is that we are trying to chase the prices almost every day, right? So when we see the spike to the upside, right, we are not waiting for a pullback. We don't know, because we don't have a trading plan, if we just hit the supply, right? We just trading based on the FOMO, fear of missing out. So spike to the upside, we wanna be in, right? And most often, based on the latest lower volatility, we are just turn off the light. For us, music is not playing anymore. We want to prove to the Mr. Market that we, me, you, she, he, we are right, not Mr. Market, right? Well, we know how usually it ends up. Then, once we realized that we made the mistake, or even big mistake, we are trying to blame everyone else. Come on. But of course, we are not trying to blame ourselves, right? So usually it looks like, oh, come on, this analyst made mistake. Why I'm reading his These guys from that signal service I subscribed for were wrong again. Well, my friend was long at much higher levels, so I've been trying to buy at lower level to try to be smarter than him. Oh, come on, why Dad did not tell me that I have to place stop loss? Oh, well, price right now is much lower. I still think we are going to go much higher, so let's try to double down on that, right? So we are trying to blame everyone, signal services guys, analysts, well, I don't know, everyone around. When the big truth is, that's our money, our responsibility to do our own research. Okay, I can get some kind of the analysis from that guy, other guys, right? But that's my responsibility to try to check based on my own research if I like it, if I want to follow that analysis, etc., etc., etc. Of course, each of us, it was even me 20 years ago. I've been looking for a very short way to get rich quick. Well, today I can tell you for sure there is no short way to get rich quick schemes. Usually if you are going to follow, that's gonna be scam. And trying to do that, we are mastering the previous view, right? So we are gonna keep blaming others, not us. We have to start to be disciplined, right? As long as there is no discipline at all inside us, we are going to look for more ways to blame others. So we will double the signal services and amount of the analysts, numbers of analysts we are following, right? So we are going to have more opportunities to blame. This one was bad, this one was bad, other one was bad, right? But of course, if you are going to get twice as much analysis, then come on, forget that your brain is going to push you to the right direction, right? We will try to find more cheap signal services, buying cheap trading robots. At the end, we are going to take higher risk by the trading bigger tickets, bigger sizes, trying to make this recovery bet, revenge trading. Yes, this time I'm gonna be right. No, you are not gonna be right this time. Also, the retail traders mastered the patient. Instead of them mastering the patient, waiting for the price to come to you and trying to trade your plan. So instead of this, we mastered the patient when it comes to the position when the market is going against us. So we are the champions of the champions with holding, losing the position, with trying to double it down, right? And then we are so happy. We have enough patience to get back to the break even. Well, more often than that, we are going to be stop out, right? Because we are not going to have enough money. We are very impatient when it comes to new strategy testing. We quickly falling in love with one that brought the winner 5 times in a row, right? Especially first 5. And it completely doesn't matter if that strategy is going to work out later or if it doesn't. And of course, because of our impatience, we hate these which were losers at the beginning. Instead of trying to make at least hundreds of tests, spending hours in front of your monitor, testing. So because end of 2019 is coming very quickly, my Christmas and New Year wishes for you. Spend some time to try to educate yourself. Spend some time. Invest in yourself. Work with yourself. Test your patience. Try to get the responsibility for every trade you are going to make in 2020. All right? It was my pleasure to be with you in 2019. Hopefully, we can meet together in 2020. And we are gonna be better traders. Guys, all the best. Have a great one and see you around.